Managing your iPhone storage is now an important part of keeping it running at its best in this day and age of constantly growing apps, high-resolution photos, and video that use a lot of memory. If you run out of storage room on your device, it might not work as well or at all, and you might miss out on capturing those special moments. Luckily, there are smart and easy ways to get more space on your iPhone without affecting how you use it. Are you sick of seeing on your iPhone storage almost full? Want to get more space on your phone or tablet without getting rid of your favorite apps and photos? You've come to the right place if you said yes. We'll talk about some clever and easy ways to free up space on your iPhone in this video. Find the storage hogs. Finding the things that are taking up the most room is the first thing you should do to solve your storage problems. Go to Settings greater than General greater than iPhone storage to do this. This part will give you a thorough breakdown of how much space you've used, broken down by apps, photos, videos, and other types of data. As soon as you know who the main offenders are, you need to do something about it. If you notice that some apps are taking up too much room, you might want to get rid of any that you don't use very often. Check the sites you use often to see if they let you clear their cache or stored info. Make videos and photos work better. If you have an iPhone, the camera app is full of memories, but those memories take up space on your phone. In Settings greater than Photos, turn on Optimize iPhone Storage to make space without losing your photo history. With this feature, full-resolution photos and videos are replaced with smaller ones that take up less room. The originals are stored in iCloud. That way, you can save room on your device and be sure that your memories are safe. Get rid of Safari's cache and data. Safari, which is your default web browser, likes to store and use a lot of data and cache over time. Go to Settings greater than Safari greater than Clear History and Website Data to get rid of this information. This can not only free up space on your computer, but it can also make your browser faster and more useful. Use alternatives to the cloud. You can store your files in the cloud if you are running out of space on your iPhone. Cloud storage services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud let you store more files than your phone's hard drive can hold. You don't have to keep your pictures, music, mail, etc. on your phone. You can still get to them when you need to. Get rid of apps and widgets that you don't use. Another way to free up room on your iPhone is to delete apps and widgets that you don't use. This can be done by holding down the app icon until it moves, then hitting the X button to get rid of it. If you swipe left on the home screen and tap Remove, you can also get rid of apps. Get rid of app caches and temporary files. App caches, which are used by many apps to store temporary data, can fill up over time.